our liberty with our own blood. A very warm good morning to you all, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. Myself Suvalakshmi Swai, a student of class 8A. Today I will be giving a speech on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and V. Surendra Sai. Subhash Chandra Bose, an illustrious Indian liberation warrior, was born in 1897. He was a courageous, visionary and revolutionary Indian freedom fighter. He was a relentless fighter whose nationalist fervor attracted many Indians to join the struggle for independence, which popularized him as Netaji. Netaji stood for the unity of all Indians and was strictly against the division in society along religious, caste or caste lines. His Indian National Army in fact comprised people from faiths and ethnicities of India. Netaji's life had a tragic end too. He died in a plane crash on his way to Tokyo. With him, the armed struggle against the British came to a drastic end. Netaji was a man of honor, dignity, courage and strong will. Give me blood and I shall give you freedom. A cry that encouraged many Indians to pick up arms against British because of Netaji. However, Netaji still lives in our memories and continues to provide us with strength and inspiration in our difficult times. Moreover, his ideals act as a guiding light for us to make India a perfect country. Our V. Surendra Sai was one of the great freedom fighters of our Odisha. He was born in Khinda of Sambalpur. In 1809, he was born in Sambalpur, making our Odisha become a proud state. At last, I want to say, भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं, यह जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है. यह वंदन की भूमि है, यह अभिनंदन की भूमि है. यह वंदन की भूमि है, यह अभिनंदन की भूमि है. यह तर्पण की भूमि है, यह अर्पण की भूमि है. हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो भी इस भारत के लिए. और मरने के बाद अगर कोई गंगा में बहती हुई हमारी अस्थियों को कान लगाकर सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज आएगी, भारत माता की जय. थैंक यू.